How to fix Discord invalid invite link. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and launch our Discord application. Get logged into your account. Now, if you're trying to get into a group where the link says it has been expired or invalid, that means certainly the link has been expired because the owner has set it to expire after certain hours or days. For this, in order to fix it, you have to, message the owner again and ask him or her to resend the link again. There's no fix to it. All you have to do is message the person and ask for the link again. At times, if the owner has set the link to be expired, after a certain period of time, it will expire and you can no longer access it. So guys, this is how you can fix your problem. And once the owner sends you a link, you can go ahead, click onto it, and directly get into a group or team where the link is relevant. So this is how you can do it, and thank you for watching. How to fix Facebook Messenger search conversation not working. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Get started. First thing first, make sure that your application Messenger is updated. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, and at the top search bar, type in Messenger. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. If you see open, that means your application is already updated, so